In this video, we are going to see about a motor and a dynamo. I will explain what are the motors here. 12 volt motor, 12 volt, 12 volt, 5 to 9 volts motor, 6 volts motor, 5 volts motor, 3 volts motor, 3 volts motor, 2 volts motor, 180 motor, and a motor used for drone. Okay, first we can see what's a motor. A motor is a unit which changes electrical energy to a mechanical energy. I will demonstrate it. See here, we are giving an electrical input and it gives a mechanical or rotatory motion in the output. A dynamo is a unit which converts mechanical energy to electrical energy. It is just opposite to the principle of a motor. Now you can see how a motor converts electrical energy to a mechanical energy. I will open this motor and show you. This is a solenoid, and here are two magnets, North Pole and South Pole. These two magnets are joined together with the help of the metal. Assume this is North Pole, this is South Pole. Okay. This is a solenoid, also defined as an electromagnet. In this, it has three sets of solenoids. Now we can see how it rotates. There are three connections, and we can see there are three segments of inputs. You should know one thing. How is it possible? There are three inputs, but in the motor we have only two inputs because it uses only two inputs at a time. Assume this is the North Pole and this is the South Pole, and the solenoid is here. When we give input current in these two legs, positive and negative, it goes any of the two legs here. Actually, it is fixed to a connector. It is connected like this. The four copper brush in it here touches any two points of the input in the solenoid. Each and every point of the input connects to the every terminal in the solenoid. Now you can see if it turns here, then the positive and negative current also changes the position, as there are three terminals. If it changes its position, then the brush touches to another input terminal. If we give in the power in either of the terminal, positive and another as negative, these two we can select. If we give power to these two terminals, then here positive will connect and negative will connect here. This solenoid will work and exceeds magnetic field. In this case, it exceeds a northern magnetic field this side. As same poles repel, it changes its position here. Now the positive and negative terminals changed. In an electromagnet, when the terminals are changed, the magnetic field also changes. Now it emits south field. Same poles ripple. The again turns here. Again, the terminals are changed. It emits northern magnetic field. Again, it turns its position. This process is repeated inside a motor. These things are done very fast inside a motor. The quality and the tunings of the copper coil and the strength of the magnets affects the speed and strength of the motor. In a 12-volt motor, the thickness of the copper wire and the number of tunings changes, and also the strength of the magnets. Niobium magnets are the strongest magnets. Now we can see about dynamo. Dynamo uses a simple mechanism. When magnetic field is cut on by a copper coil or any other coil, electric current is produced. The ratio of the strength of the magnet and quality of the copper coil, also the tunings of the copper coil, varies between a motor and a dynamo. Thanks for